It's a really busy week this week in the studio. I've been packing all of the Make Happy Club boxes, which is my subscription box. So I haven't got a stitching tutorial for you this week, but I thought I'd just show you some behind the scenes, what it's like running a tiny business, and packing up all the subscription boxes. So this is a Make Happy Club box. If you don't know what it is, I'll just explain quickly. So it's a monthly stitching subscription box. We do either embroidery or cross stitch patterns. You get everything you need to stitch up the new project. You get one project a month, and it's a surprise, although you can go and look on the blog and see what we're going to be stitching. And £3 from every box sold every month goes to a different charity each month. So this month we have been doing, it is for this project, which is loads of embroidery. It's like French knots, satin stitch, we've got a little bit of back stitch, some tiny little flowers. It's really cute. So we're doing this project this month. And we were raising money for the LGBT Foundation, which we donate to via Work for Good. They're like a fantastic platform that support loads of charities. And if you go on there, you can look up Ellbie Co if you want, and you can see like all the charities we've donated to so far. So yeah, we were donating to them, and yes, just really exciting. So I'm going to be packing up these. So that's the project you're going to be seeing in the video. Ding, 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 ding. I love this little box so much. I've only been doing it for less than a year now, but it was just a way to give back to charity as a stitching community, and also a way to like discover a new project every month and just have something happy drop into your post box. So if you want to find out more about the Make Happy Club, I'll pop a link down below so you can have a look and find out more. This light is terrible. I look like one of those spooky horror things with a lamp. Sorry about that. At least Goomy's happy chilling in the sun over there. You alright, mate? Okay, anyway, I've got to get on. I've got lots of packing to do. I hope you enjoy this week's video. Bye.